Hello everyone! Today we are going to be shopping at our local Walmart here in Utah. We'll be just showing you a few items that we have gotten for our tiered trays and just a lot of other fun things that we have found at our local store. These little ornaments we have bought several of. They are $3. And then I thought these were so cute. They are very sturdy, made out of wood. I believe they were around, the $12 range. These were too cute to pass up, little fur deer. And then this section was pretty bare, but I don't know what's with this year, but we cannot get away from owls. They are just everywhere. And if you are an owl lover, you are probably loving the decor this year. Then I found these super cute. They were kind of like stone ornaments. I thought you could definitely dupe these with dollar store items and using the mineral chalk paint from Waverly, and then also going in with some black chalk paint. I'll link a couple of our videos here, what we've used these specific ornaments for. And then my husband found these very cute stocking holders. We've also made a few stocking holders in a few of our videos, but these are super cute, probably very sturdy. We love the Walmart section for all of these little ornaments. This is where we found a lot of our other cute little mini signs for our tiered trays, but he found kind of these little boho ones and the little snowflakes. And when we talk about the picks from Walmart, this is what we're talking about. They have tons and tons of 98-cent ones. So basically you can just go in and just get whatever you want. They have tons and tons of them. These were kind of my favorite over here, the more white and kind of pine ones. I tend to stick to more neutrals when I pick out these. Then in this video here, I used this deer sign, and so I just wanted to show you where I got that. This Walmart had it very hidden, but basically it's just in this section, and then down here they have these wall stickers. They're about $5, and then they come in a lot of other designs like these. This cute Christmas tree one with the truck was very cute, this Happy Holidays one. And then they did have a couple other designs. I know that the Walmart that we went to before had a lot of other designs. I know Dollar Tree has a good selection as far as these little trees go, but I loved this tree. I thought that you could take a piece of burlap and go over the base and it would kind of look like the more expensive trees that you could buy. But you can get kind of these $2, just a little bit nicer ones and make it just all these little crafts look just a little bit better. I loved to the left they had these super cute deer and bear countdowns. Also these way cute little trucks. The little joy sign is absolutely adorable. They definitely have tons of farmhouse decor here. And then I was loving these big metal, I think they're just for outdoors, but they're these big metal signs, I guess. And then of course I saw this Peace on Earth thing and I was like, okay, I have to dupe it. $17 is way too much for that. So might be duping that here in the future. And then we always go down the bag aisle because we just want to frame everything. You can just go down here, pick out whatever frame or whatever bag you want and frame it. All you have to do is just put it on poster board or foam board and then frame it. You can do that with the dowels, you can do that with the wood stakes that we'll be showing you later that we use a lot, or you can use the 5-gallon stir sticks that we also use quite frequently. This is one that our kids loved that we picked up for them a little while ago and they helped us make it. They are obsessed with dinosaurs since they're 3 little boys and we framed it for their room. And then of course you have to stop at this section. It's all the little knickknacks that you say you don't need and then you end up buying and loving. But we love it. It's just fun little kind of stupid stuff, but they're about I think $6 and below, but they have some super fun stuff. There was a sign that I just showed before that was like a light up sign that I think is super cute. The next few items that I'll be showing you are a lot of supplies that we use from Walmart, and we use these 5-gallon stir sticks a lot, and they're $1.12. They come in a 3-pack, and they're actually really great wood. And then we get these wood stakes from this section. We talk about them a lot, and they are in like the garage sale, this kind of section, and they are a great price for kind of the perfect size piece of wood and thickness and everything. And that completes today's Walmart haul. Thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to hit that bell icon so you can be notified every time we upload a new video.